Welcome back, friends. So how many videos? Two videos I made in the morning. I said the fall from 9:30 to 10 that came about. And then in the afternoon, I mentioned that we could expect a fall around 145. We just saw, I believe it was maybe a few minutes here and there, a nice fall which came there from positive to nicely negative. Okay. So there also we saw another nice fall and people did very, very well. Now, friends, this was not so easy to predict. Okay, in retrospect, one can say that yes, we did get it right, but not an easy call. Now, the markets have ended the options expiration date, and now while we were waiting for the results from Infosys and TCS, I have some words to tell you. Firstly, as regards the Infosys results, it is reported a 7.3% year-on-year fall in the net profit at 6,106 crores in the third quarter of financial year 23-24. Okay, and then if you were to look at it on a sequential basis, all right, then the company's bottom line has declined by 1.7%. Okay. Q3 is a typically weak quarter for IT companies as an adverse impact from fewer working days and furloughs. Then they play a little bit of a problem over there. But Infosys narrowed its revenue growth guidance for the full year to 1.5 to 2% for the full year. This comes after it slashed the guidance last quarter to 1 to 2.5% from 1 to 3.5%. So that all is okay. It has been a little bit down. The consolidated revenue for the quarter came in at 38,821 crores, which is up 1.3% year on year. Then the revenues for the quarter were marginally above the estimates, 38,630 crores. The important thing that I see in the Infosys results is that according to them, the large deals were strong at $3.2 billion, with 71% of this as being net new, reflecting that portfolio of offerings ranging from generative AI, digital and cloud to cost efficiency and automation. So all that was very good for the company. But it also has reported or rather signed a definitive agreement for a semiconductor design chip company. Okay, so all that is very nice. But if you look at all these figures, the revenue, the growth, the net profit, consolidated profit, if you are an investor, right, trying to make depends on what your objective is, but if you're trying to build a portfolio, Infosys very well. But the thing is that this is not the growth rate by which you can rapidly multiply your wealth. This is not a very, very big, fast wealth multiplier. It's all these things that I told you, and which you can also, these are good from the perspective of stable revenues, stable profit, stable operating margins, stable guidance. Everything is there, and that is fantastic. But this can not give you that extra alpha return which you would be needing for a quick wealth creation. Friends, and I'm not encouraging, but many stocks that we suggest in our groups, right, they move up like 10-15% in a day. And I'm not suggesting that you do that. I'm personally very conservative on that front. But definitely you want a little faster growing company with some fast new ideas, which has not become too big, okay, to be able to reflect the changing world. This is what happens is when these companies become very large, then to move them itself becomes really difficult. For you can see now, as compared consolidated revenue for the quarter, 38,821 crores. And now this is just about the same as last year. Some little marginal improvement of 1.5%. How much difference will that make to the net profit to the overall portfolio, overall valuation of that particular stock. It cannot be a complete game changer, right? Unless the company is entering into some very like a generative AI in a very, very big way, and is a massive amount of revenue it is generating from that field. So far, even the guidance is not really indicating that so much of a major change can be expected. Okay, it has got some new order wins, but that itself has not been able to boost the revenues, neither the guidance of the company so much. So it's reached a stage where it's becoming too big to grow very fast and to unlock some new wealth creation opportunities for you as an investor, and to get to know more good opportunities to invest in companies which have got a good base and which are moving faster, which are entering into the new realms where you can boost your returns and your portfolio very, very quickly. Please do join our Premium Plus, or just today we have launched the Makar Sankranti program, which is very nice. It gives it's on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, and you can benefit from just like the kite is supposed to reach the highest level. Here you will find that your portfolio will reach the highest level. We will do our best to give you all the service. You can do all this by WhatsApping us on 9820861044 and join our Makar Sankranti program. It's going to be a very short duration, not many days we are going to give for people. So those who want to do it, please do it quickly. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.